Point A is located at the top of the mountain at an altitude of 500 meters. Point B is located at the top of the mountain at an altitude of 300 meters. Point A and Point B are 98 kilometers apart. The main termination is connected to two 2.5 dB FRP antennas. Two 2.5 dB FRP antennas are terminated. The device is connected to a 24V power supply, waiting for the boot connection. At present, there is interference at the 1445 to 1465 MHz frequency, and the working frequency automatically jumps to the optimal frequency of 1355 MHz. At present, you can see that the energy is still about -80 dBm. SNR is between 15 and 17 dB. At this time, the signal quality is better. The main end modulation level is QPSK half of the system, and 6 megabytes of bandwidth data can be sent, and the slave modulation level is 16 QAM half of the system. It can send 12 megabytes of bandwidth data. The camera has a 4 megabyte stream and smooth images. Today's test is over. Thank you for watching.